Mitochondria and chloroplasts, the ancient alliances that built complex life. Around 2 billion years ago, life on Earth was simple, just tiny single celled organisms drifting in ancient oceans. But during this era, one of the most extraordinary events in the history of life took place: the rise of eukaryotes, organisms with true nuclei and complex internal structures. This great transformation began with an unexpected partnership. A large, ancient cell engulfed a smaller bacterium, but instead of digesting it, the bacterium survived inside. What started as a failed meal turned into a revolutionary alliance. The smaller bacterium had a remarkable ability. It could produce massive amounts of energy from food and oxygen. The larger host cell, in return, provided protection, nutrients, and a stable environment. This partnership gave birth to the organelle we now call the mitochondria, the power plant of almost every modern cell. Later, another similar event occurred. This time, if the synthetic bacterium was absorbed and eventually transformed into the chloroplast, the organelle that allows plants and algae to capture sunlight and make their own food. These symbiotic mergers launched a new era. Eukaryotes became larger, more efficient, and more complex. They developed internal compartments, advanced DNA systems, and the ability to evolve into diverse body forms. From these early eukaryotes came the first algae, fungi, plants, animals, and eventually humans. The origin of eukaryotes is ultimately a story about cooperation, how two tiny partners joined forces and sparked one of the greatest evolutionary leaps of all time. From bacteria to eukaryotes, the great partnership in evolution.